Sugar's changed over the last little while, and we as an organization have helped lots of organizations get more advanced with their CRM, maybe moving more towards a CX solution by integrating their CRM with other solutions. In your expertise, what do you think some of the best solutions to integrate to your CRM? Where would someone want to start if they were looking at getting more out of their CRM and integrating it with stuff?
Yeah, that's a good question, actually, because when we are talking to prospective customers, a lot of times they're not really wanting to necessarily jump in because they feel like it's taking on a lot as far as integrating the application with other systems that they might be using. That's a good approach in some cases, and in others it's not. When it's not a good approach is when you, again, are just making Sugar another application that somebody has to log into and do certain actions or pull up certain data, and then they still have to go to their other applications they're already using and still do the same thing because nothing is actually tightly integrated. So you kind of end up killing the user adoption side of it because people just see it as, oh, this is just another system for me to have to use and put stuff into, and I don't necessarily want to do that if I'm an end user. So you really want to make sure that the system is integrated as much as possible, just from a user adoption standpoint, just so you don't have to have that issue of swivel chair from one system to the other for your users. So we usually say things like, financial data. So that could be accounting systems, ERP systems, your email. Obviously, you want to make sure that that's integrated well. Those are, the ERP accounting side is typically like the number one biggest thing that we say to make sure it's integrated, because almost everybody wants to at least see something that's sales history, where are customers' orders,